Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with yellow aventurine, the stone of self-worth. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today we're going to find out how yellow aventurine can help support you in your daily life and how it can help improve how you handle life challenges. And yellow aventurine is a part of the aventurine family. There are many colors of aventurine. The most commonly known is green. Yellow aventurine can come in many different shades of yellow. So from fairly light to darker yellow. You can see them both in a variety of yellow shades. Now, the difference between yellow quartz and yellow aventurine is that aventurine has inclusions of mica in it. So it'll give it a shimmery, sparkly look. So that's one of the telltale signs of aventurine is that sparkliness in the gemstone. And so yellow aventurine is the stone of self-worth. This is a gemstone that really resonates with our solar plexus chakra and helps us with our confidence and self-esteem. And the first benefit of working with yellow aventurine is that it is very cleansing and balancing. And this is a quality that's shared across the entire aventurine family. And if you are feeling off balanced, kind of off kilter, lost, maybe you feel like you're forgetting something and you don't know what, then sitting with any of the aventurine family will help give you an energetic reset. It will get the energy flowing. It will dissolve any blocks or any stagnant energy places in your body to get that moving again. And it also balances different energies. It balances your chakra energies, masculine and feminine energies, physical energies. It helps you feel like you've had a good night's sleep. So the second benefit of working with yellow aventurine is that it heals your confidence. The second quality that all of the aventurine family shares is that it all relates to healing. The aspect of your life that it heals is connected with the color. And since yellow resonates with the solar plexus chakra, then yellow aventurine helps to heal our confidence. So if you have recently taken a hit or a damage to your self-esteem, like you didn't get that job that you had applied for, or you didn't get that interview that you were interested in, or you expressed your feelings for someone else and they didn't share them, any situation that might really leave a dent in our self-esteem, then yellow aventurine helps you to recover from that. It helps you realize that just because things didn't work out as you had hoped, it has nothing to do with your self-worth, with your value. You are still very able to succeed in this life. And it gives you that courage to step out again and to take risks again and then apply for another job or another promotion, or look around and see if there is somebody else that is better suited for you. But it helps to heal us after our confidence has been bruised. And if you are suffering from long-term low self-esteem or confidence, then yellow aventurine, working with it on a regular basis, will really start to help you feel more confidence. It will help you recognize your value as a soul, as a being. And then the third benefit of working with yellow aventurine is that it dissolves our dependence on other people's approval. So this really, really helps to loosen the grip that societal pressures and peer pressure can have on that, and that desire to please everyone, to make everyone happy, to have everyone love us, because that's impossible. And if we try, not only are we going to get burnt out from the effort, but also we're going to lose the sense of who we are. And yellow aventurine helps you realize that you need to be you, regardless of how other people think you should be, that you can have that trust and confidence to set up your own personal boundaries, to not do everything that everybody asks of you, and to wear what you want, to have the opinions that you want, and not be shifting who we are because we think that's what other people want to see. So if that's something that really resonates with you, then yellow aventurine is a perfect stone to help you work through that and to help you stand firm and confident in your own authenticity. And then the fourth benefit of working with yellow aventurine is that it helps to resolve indecision. And we often have difficulty making decisions because you don't have that confidence and the trust in your intuition to feel like the decisions that you make are the right ones. Well, we may make decisions that don't turn out the way we want, and that's okay. But working with yellow aventurine really helps you trust your gut. It helps you feel like you can solidly make decisions without fear of failure. So rather than procrastinating or avoiding these decisions, yellow aventurine really helps you take charge of your life. Trust that your own inner wisdom knows what's best for you, and to move forward with those decisions. Yellow aventurine is a master at helping us boost our self-esteem, trusting our inner wisdom and our inner guide and intuition, and enabling us to be comfortable just as we are, and to stop taking actions to please other people and take the actions that will be satisfying to us. So thank you so much for joining me today to talk about yellow aventurine and how it can help you in your life. And if it does sound like this is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then in 2 days, on Friday, I'll be posting a guided meditation with yellow aventurine. And you don't need a piece of the gemstone to benefit from the guided meditation. But if any of the ideas and concepts in this video or the prompts in the guided meditation really speak to you, they feel familiar, then that's a sign that you should get some yellow aventurine and work with it some more. So if you've been watching my videos and you really enjoy them, or if you're new to the channel and you want to learn a lot more about gemstones and how you can use them to improve your life, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss a single gemstone video that are posted multiple times a week. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.